Hi, my name is Subham I am from Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. I got a placement from WIPRO Technologies with 4 LPA package. Thanks to Avision team, they have well-trained trainers. They have guided me to get this package from WIPRO Technologies, one of the big MNCs in India. Okay, so we have a job internship program with a duration of 2 months. Okay, so they have like a good trainers that they provide good knowledge of all the desktop support things and troubleshooting things. Okay, and like they have very much good in learning basic like Windows administration, ITIL and CCNE and all the other related computer science things. Okay, from there we learned a lot of basic things and do the lot of good practicals, hands-on practicals also. So I'm very thankful towards Avision team also. They have given this opportunity so that I can go to that big MNC teams. I'm very much thankful towards them because in COVID time, there is very much difficulty. We do not find any jobs. So once again, I'm very much thankful to Avision. So they have guided me a well path so that I have achieved this opportunity. Very thanks to them. Okay, thank you. That's all.